Hello and welcome to part 3 of Pi-hole tutorial. This section includes how to add whitelist, blacklist, block advertisement and malicious domains, and also how to use local DNS of Pi-hole. Last video we configured a Pi-hole IP address as a DNS server in our router and changed all the client's DNS server to the IP address of our Pi-hole. Or all our clients will use this IP address as a DNS server. By default, all domains in Pi-hole are in whitelists. We can browse everything. For example, we want to browse Facebook, www.facebook.com. It's browsable. It means all the domains in Pi-hole is whitelist. How to block a domain in Pi-hole? For example, think that we want to block that all the user should not access facebook.com. How to add this as a blacklist? In here we have a tab by the name of domains. We can add some domains as a whitelist, we can add as a blacklist. For example, we want to configure Facebook as a blacklist. www.facebook.com. In comments, block Facebook to all users. Add this as a blacklist. We added Facebook as a blacklist. Now all the users should not be able to access facebook.com. www.facebook.com. The Facebook blocked in our DNS queries. Now how to allow this Facebook as a whitelist? Let's first remove. You can change its status. You can change it to as a blacklist or change it as a whitelist. So we will configure it from first. www.facebook.com. We want to add this as a what? As a whitelist. Let's refresh our Pi-hole. Now www.facebook.com. Now Facebook is browsable for us. If it's not browsable for you, let's first flash your DNS and you will be able to access Facebook. ipconfig/flash DNS. It will flash all the queries that was in our domain and it will flash it. Now it will be browsable for you. If you do not add facebook.com as a whitelist, it will be also browsable for you because all the domains in Pi-hole is at whitelist. Now how can you block advertisement malicious domains? On last video we configured how to add whitelist, how to add advertisement list. There is a Pi-hole. Let's browse Pi-hole 2024 add list. This is the official website that provide all the domains that provide advertisements domains. Now let's add this list to the add list of Pi-hole. Ctrl V. You can comment it. For example, ads. Let's add one more. These are the domains that provide advertisements. These are txt files that inside of these txt files there is 4K. It means 4,000 domains that are blocked. 1K, it means 1,000 domains are blocked. 836 domains are blocked. We will add this also. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, add. These are the domains that provide ads for us. In our dashboard, 121,000 domains that provide ads are by default blocked in Pi-hole domains. How to increase this value? We added 4K once and 1K once. Let's update Pi-hole gravity that increase the dashboard queries. Tools, update gravity. When you added added advertisement list, you have to update this one. Just a minute. Update is successful. Now let's have dashboard. We blocked 543,000 domains that provide advertisements, malicious domains, and malicious links. Now, how to use Pi-hole as a local DNS server. For example, I have a system that is 172.17.10.50. This is my Zebo server that I access every time by its IP address. How to add this one? For example, zebo.local. In Pi-hole, we have local DNS record. Let's add zebo.local. What is its IP address? 172.17.10.50. Add. After this, you are able to access Pi-hole to access Zebo via zebo.local. Now this is accessible for us. We are using Zebo as a DNS server. Also, you are able to access it via its IP address. This is also accessible, and this